Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ore and today's video is to show you how I did my crochet wig. Yeah, I know it doesn't even look like a wig, but yes, this is a wig with a part closure. I know crochet is the trend these days, especially colored crochet, and it's not every time you have the time to go to the salon or you just want something that I can just remove and put back. So this is the right video for you. This is making a crochet with a closure. This is one part closure, and as you can see, it doesn't look like it's a wig. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be having more amazing content too later, so you can turn on my post notifications. So if you want to do yours, watch this video to the end, of course. Let me not take too much of your time by talking. Let's get right to the video. So I'm going in with this wig net and I'm using 2 packs of crochets. I got them at the market. I can't remember the name of the brand because I moved long ago. I'm using a 1-part closure and I'm just tying it, so sewing will be easy for me. I won't want hair falling into where I'm sewing. So I already put thread in my needle. You tie it in 4 places. I'm sorry I didn't show that part, but it's something very easy to get. So you, as you are sewing, just like sewing a cloth, like stitching up a cloth rather, then you tie it 2 times. So I'll be going around with my sewing. So when I'm done sewing, I'm going to be inserting it. So I made sure I did my starting point to be slow, so you can understand the sewing part of the crochet itself. So I'm done with that. As you can see, it's very slow. So I put in the needle first, then I put the crochet there and tied it. Then you're going to put it just like, I don't know how to do it, things, but that's why I made it pretty slow, so you can see. Seeing is believing. Yeah. So I'll go with the second one too. And I don't want the bag to be too full because I'm using 2 packs of crochet. So the back is going to be not so full. I'm going to try to focus on the front more because the front hair is going to cover the back here. So I'm not going to be putting too much crochet at the back, just a few, since I'm only using 2 packs. You can use more than 2 packs. You can use 3 packs if you want full head, but I got only 2 packs because the seller told me it was going to be full and I was in a hurry, so I did not count the pieces inside at all. But yeah, I used 2 packs and the outcome was very good. But if you like something full, you can go with 3 packs. 4 packs to be too full. Since you're going on the week, let's just stop at maybe 2.5 or 3 packs. So what I'm just doing here is to weave the hair, because if I want to crochet it inside the crochet, I have to like do it in a weave pattern. So I'm moving everything all around, and when I'm done, I'm going to just crochet it inside the crochet. I know my English can be very confusing, so that's why this is a video. So we are still doing the same thing we did from the beginning, just the same thing, just that this one we are putting it inside the hair, that one we were putting it inside the net, but this one will be in the hair. So that's why I weaved it, so it will be very easy for something to hold the crochet. So I'm just going to be doing this all around, and I did not make this video fast so you understand better. And then depending on you, you can set put the hair on top, but if you put it on top, the hair will be showing from the front, but if you do it this way, it will be showing from the under part. Then it depends on how you crochet your one inside the hair, but that's for later. For now, we are just still going to be doing it all around. So yeah, we've gotten to the part I've been trying to explain, but my English has been failing me. So the same thing we've been doing, just that this one will be just the weaved hair will be pulling inside. That is just, there's no way the hair will show because the colors are different. But we are just going to be making it in a way that it won't be too obvious, but it will still show, but just a little bit. And when I was recording this, I wasn't looking at my phone camera, so this wasn't in like, it's not showing. So I hope you really understand. But from the starting point, you just keep crocheting it inside the hair itself. Yes, just like that. I'm really sorry about this. I did not know my camera was not recording the part I was working. Throughout the end, it was like this. I'm really sorry about this, but I do hope you understand. Now I'm done with the closure, so I'm just going to fill in the crochet with the parts that are about with crochet A. So that's why I went ahead to do the closure, so I'll be able to see the parts that requires more crochet. So now I'm done with the filling, and the reason why it's looking like it's too bowed is because it's on the cap, and the cap is so fair. But if it's on your hair, it won't be so obvious. It should just be like it's your hair that is showing. So that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be glad to see you try out your home video. Thanks for watching.